Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we are doing another look with the LaColors GLAM ColorBlock eyeshadow palette that you can find at the Dollar General. This is look number 4. Can you believe it? Look number 4. Yes, I'm continuing on with the series as well, so stay tuned for more looks using this palette. To start off, I'm using the Covergirl Lid Lockup Primer, and I have powder to catch fallout. Today we're going to be starting our look off using the highlight shade, the more skin tone nude shade, and I'm applying that with a large buffer brush in the crease. So I'm just really buffing that in. You're not going to be able to see it much, but I'm just using it as a transition. Next shade I'm picking up is the third lid shade in the palette. And this is just kind of like a smoky taupe gray kind of shade. And I'm just going to work that up in the crease. I'm just really working that color in there. Now next up we're going to take the third crease shade, as in a sense that there's 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. We're going to take the third shade and I'm going to apply that with a smaller blending brush. And I'm applying that in my outer corner and on the crease line against the orbital bone. So I'm going to be taking a combination of the third lid shade that we used in the crease and a tad of the darker, real dark, smoky, almost black shade in the palette, that crease color. So it's going to be like a 2-to-1 ratio of the lid shade and then a little of the crease shade, because we don't want it to be too stark. Now this is LaColors eyeshadow pencil in Sandcastles, I believe, and I'm applying that to the lid to give this second lid shade in the palette something to stick to. It's a shimmery kind of taupe shade, very beautiful on the lid. Look how beautiful that shade is. Probably one of the prettiest shades in the palette in my opinion. I absolutely love it. Now this is the Color Workshop's Brow Highlighter, and I'm just taking that to highlight with. I'm trying to get through this little product. I'm going to start seeing it quite a bit again in the videos, and we're going to buff our crease shade with the highlight shade, wiping away our fallout. And we're going to apply NYX Jumbo Pencil in my inner corner, and I'm going to blend that out with my finger, and we're going to highlight that area. So the shade we're picking up for that is the first lid shade in the palette. And I'm calling them lid and crease because that's what's stamped on them. And we're going to take a bit of the shimmery white highlight shade in the inner corner as well. And on the lower lash line, we're going to be picking up that third lid shade that we used, and I'm just going to buff that across the lower lash line. Just work it in. Don't bring it down too far, but you just want it to be a little bit smoky down there. I do enjoy how this look came out. I think it's actually really beautiful. In the past, I used to wear a lot of taupe eyeshadow, and this reminds me of that. And that was LaColors Eye Marker, by the way, and this is Jordana's Black Point Eyeliner Pencil. And I'm just using that to tight line with upper and lower. But notice on the lower, I only go about halfway in because I don't want my eye completely closed off. This is Believe Beauty's Extend Mascara. This mascara is awesome. I think it was $4 at the Dollar General. It's a really good mascara. So that's our finished look, or well, our finished eyes. And for lips, this is Hard Candy's Universal Lip Primer and the All Matte Up Plus Lip Crayon in So Spicy. Yes, I love these, you guys. It's the best matte formula. So I hope you enjoyed another LaColors GLAM Color Block tutorial. We'll try the look out for yourself or go pick up the palette. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos using this palette. Check the description box for additional links as well as the product list. And don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already.